Good morning. Welcome to Strategic Saturdays with DARS Academy. I am Pamela Joseph, your facilitator for today. So what we're doing today is order of operations. So let's get into it. What is the order of operations? Well, first of all, it's a set of rules that tells us which math operation to do first. It helps us solve math problems correctly and consistently. And remember the acronym PEMDAS. What does that stand for? Well, let's see. P is for parentheses, E is for exponents, M and D is for multiplication and division left to right, and A and S is for addition and subtraction from left to right. PEMDAS. Parentheses. First things first. So what we're going to do always is solve what's inside the parentheses first. Here's an example. We have 3 plus, open parentheses, 4 times 2, close parentheses. How will we solve this? First, 4 times 2 is 8 because we're taking care of the parentheses first. Then we'll do our addition from left to right. So 3 plus 8 is 11. I hope you got this correct. Yes, good job. Next one. Now we have exponents. Let's power up. So after the parentheses, we're going to calculate the exponents. Exponents show how many times to multiply a number by itself. Here's an example. 3 squared plus 4. Notice that we are going to multiply 3 times itself 2 times. So we have 3 times 3 plus 4. What is 3 times 3? It is 9. So now we do the 9 plus 4. What does that equal to? You guessed it, 13. Good job. You're taking care of the exponents. Ready to move on? Let's go. Multiplication and division. There are equal partners. It all depends on what appears first in the expression, whether it is going to be multiplication or division, because we do it from left to right. They have equal priority. Remember that, equal priority. So let's look at an example. We have 12 divided by 3 times 2. In this case, what comes first from the left? You guessed it, division comes first, so we will divide first before we multiply. Remember, we are doing multiplication and division from left to right. So what is 12 divided by 3? It is 4. Now we do 4 times 2, and that equals to 8. Great job. So now you have taken care of the multiplication and division because they are equal partners when we are doing order of operations. Now, last but not least, we have addition and subtraction, the final steps. So remember, perform addition and subtraction from left to right. They also have equal priority, just like the multiplication and division we just covered. So now, let's look at a nice example. So we have 10 minus 5 plus 3. Notice what comes first? Our subtraction. So we will do subtraction, then we will do the addition, because of the fact that we're going from left to right. So what is 10 minus 5? It is 5. So now we do 5 plus 3, and that equals to 8. Great job. So we have covered every single step for order of operations. Now let's bring it all together. Let's put it all together, okay, with this nice complex example. The problem states 2 plus, open parentheses, 3 times 4 squared, close parentheses, minus 6 divided by 2. Wow, that's a lot. But it's okay. You're a mathematician, a math genius, so let's get it. Step 1, we take care of our exponents, okay? Because it's within the parentheses. So whatever is the innermost, we take care of it. We looked at all the parentheses that's happening. The innermost is the one that says 3 times 4 squared. However, within those parentheses is an exponent. We have to take care of that exponent first. So 4 squared is 4 times 4, and that equals to 16. Next, we will look for our next step that we are going to do, which is, you guessed it, the parentheses now. Now we are going to multiply 3 times 16. You are correct. It is 48. Good job. Let's keep it up. So next, after the parentheses, we are looking at the division. So the division is 6 divided by 2. Yes, that equals to 3. Very good, mathematicians. We're on a roll now. Your superpowers are getting stronger. So now we have step 4, addition and subtraction. Remember, we are going from, yes, left to right. So first we will do 2 plus 48, which is 50. And then we do 50 minus 3. What is our final answer? You guessed it, 47. Great job, mathematicians. I'm so proud of you. So you have covered finding and mastering the order of operations. If you can remember PEMDAS, that will help you every single time. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. Now, let's avoid these common mistakes. Forgetting parentheses. Ignoring exponents. Doing operations from right to left. Ooh, that's not good. And treating all operations as equal. Let's make sure we avoid these common mistakes that happens all the time. Now for my math geniuses, I'm going to leave you with this practice problem, and you can test to see if you actually get this correct. Thank you for choosing DARS Academy for all your math needs. And this is Pamela Joseph signing off for DARS Solution FZ LLC. Enjoy!